felt the tick, set the hooks. It was kind of too classic. Alright, I've just arrived at a little local dam here in KZN. I've never fished it before. It looks relatively full. I think the board said 102% something, so it's pretty full at the moment. A lot of flooded vegetation and very murky water, which is probably not ideal. But I've only brought glide baits with me, swim baits. I'm going to start off with just a little wake bait, just the bull there, mainly to keep above that vegetation so that I don't snag up too bad. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to probably move over to this little prototype, this little bream bait. But I'm going to try pitch under some of these trees and see if there's any active bass around. I have no idea what this dam's like. I've sort of seen on social media it looks like a lot of small fish with occasional big fish, so good chance I don't get any luck with the glide bait. But I've got an hour or two and I figured I'd give it a bash. Alright, dam looks pretty high, water looks really murky, and middle of the day is probably not ideal. But I've only got a few hours coming past here, so I figured I would give it a bash. Figured that something like a wake bait would put out a bit more vibration in this water. And if on the off chance there is a fish cruising the shallows, there seems to be a lot of tilapia around here, so maybe they're hunting some tilapia. Just trying to bring it through some of those clusters of weed up there. I can't trigger anything that might be sitting in those clusters of weed. Let's have a go at it. But I'm sure early morning this must be great. Bass are probably a bit deeper at the moment. Put it under that tree without putting it in the tree. There it is, 2.3 kilograms. Not a PB, but a damn solid fish. And that was on solid wake bait. Man, that's awesome. All right, let's release this guy. You guys, awesome. That's too cool. Worth it.